Jem.
Healthy, 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 healthy ako. Wow! Kabataan! Wow! Pag-asa ng bayan! Wow! Nalusugan! Wow! Huwag pabayaan! Walang ulo ay nutrition light. Abala ang ating pamalan. Pati na rin mapapaalan. Dahil sila'y nagdiriwang. Pagkain ng gapos iwasan nyo. Alam nyo bang walang sustansya to? Pagkain ng gusto kainin nyo. Kailangan to ng katawan ninyo. Hop! Hop! Kabataan! Hop! Pag-asa ng bayan! Hop! Kalusugan! Hop! Huwag pabayaan! Kabataan! Hop! Pag-asa ng bayan! Hop! Kinabukasan! Hop! Huwag pabayaan! Uno, dos, tres! Manis, sesis, gulay, gulay! Manis, sesis, prutas, prutas! Pagdiwalain, tsokolate! Manis, sesis, gulay, gulay! Pampahaba yan ang buhay! Pagdiwalain, tsokolate! Wine at gulay! Gulay, gulay! Healthy sa buhay! Buhay, buhay! Wine at gulay! Gulay, gulay! Healthy sa buhay! Buhay, buhay! Kalusugan, ingatan, healthy lifestyle, kailangan. Kalusugan, ingatan, oh! Mula sa tulog na napakahimbing, sa umaga ay gumigising. Exercise ang una nating gawin, tapos almusal ay kainin. Kahit kaunti lang, sige na, para lumusog ang ating katawan. Kapag kumain ng gustong pagkain, maganda ang resulta tayo palulusugin. Healthy lifestyle ay ingatan para sa kinabukasan. Kalusugan, ingatan, healthy lifestyle, kailangan. Kalusugan, ingatan,
Alumni.
kami ang bida, kaming magana, tuturuan na kumain ng gustong pagkain. Prutas at gulay, andayan ni nanay, tapos ay exercise, lalakas at lulusog ako. So why don't you eat this food? It's very nutritious, full of vitamins. You'll be happy today and then most of all, you'll never eat baby when you stay away. I'm concerned so you still, you need this.
You need this more than anyone, darling. You should eat this food from the start.
So eat this food, Michael Yans, don't eat junk food. Go, Christine!
Go.
Ating napalagaan, kalusugan ng bawat kabataan. Masayang ipakasustansya, sa bawat hinukuya, healthy life ng kabataan. Susi sa kaunlaran, ating kinabukasan.
All together now.
Got a long way to go. Remember, go, go, and go. Healthy lifestyle, don't disregard all along. So brighten your clothes and strike your healthy and pose. Leave us alone, but not him. Let's get fit. Let's get fit. Stretch your muscles with the muscle. Come on, people, let's get fit. Let's get fit. If you want it, then you'll do it. Come on, people, let's get fit. Together, together. Come on, stop eating junk. Together, together. We're all in this together. When we choose what we eat, people jump and we'll make it. We're all in this together. In a healthy lifestyle, good habits make our dreams come true.